Hey there, it's digital lifestyle expert Mario Armstrong, and I have a great idea for the dads and grads in your life. Check this out. I am loving the new HP All-In Plan, which gets you all your printing essentials for one low monthly payment. With the All-In Plan, check this out. You get an all brand new printer, you get automatic ink delivery, continuous printer coverage, and dedicated 24/7 live support. Plans start at only $6.99 a month with no upfront costs, and you can try it for 30 days risk-free. It seems like the printers don't work when we need them to. So HP's got you covered. It even has the built-in smart technology that will ship you fresh ink when it detects that you're low. How smart is that? For more information, go to hp.com. For more information on everything I covered today, just head to our website at inthenews.tv or follow us on Instagram at inthenewstv.